friends, welcome back to the Zeal of the Power Aspirants YouTube channel. In this video, I want to explain types of faults. Definition: fault. A fault in an electrical equipment is defined as a defect in its circuit due to which the current is diverted from flowing the intended path. Next point. Faults in the overhead lines are mainly occur due to breaking of conductors, short-circuited by large birds, kite strings, tree branches, and failure of insulation medium between line conductors. The types of faults in the power system network are classified into two types, namely open conductors, series faults, short circuits, shunt faults. Next, the faults can be minimized by improving the system characters like design, quality of the equipment, and maintenance. However, the faults cannot be eliminated completely. The classification of faults are classified into two types: open conductors, also called as series faults; short circuits, also called as shunt faults. Shunt faults are classified into another two types. First one, symmetrical faults; second one, asymmetrical faults. Symmetrical faults are further classified into three-phase short circuit faults. These faults are also called as line-to-line-to-line faults, and three-phase to ground fault, line-to-line-to-line-to-ground fault. And asymmetrical faults are classified into four types: line-to-ground fault, line-to-line-to-line fault, double line-to-ground fault, line-to-line and third line-to-ground fault. Next, note: majority of faults occur in a power system are single line to ground faults. Less frequent than these are line to line fault. The double line to ground faults are rarer than the line to line short circuit not involving ground. Effects of faults in the power system. First point, current and voltages are unbalanced. Second one, frequency is reduced. Third one, temperature of the system is increased. Fourth one, fault current is of lagging power factor. Fifth one, over voltages. Sixth one, power swings. Seventh one, reversal of power flow. Next, eighth one, fault MVA in reactive MVAR. Ninth one, stability in the network may not achieved. The faults can be minimized by improving the system design, quantity of the equipment, and maintenance. Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe Zeal of the Power Aspirants YouTube channel.